Welcome to our tummy trim workout. Get ready to tone your abs and strengthen your core. Let's start with some basic exercises to engage your abdominal muscles. Feel the burn as you perform crunches and work towards a flatter stomach. Next, we'll move on to planks to challenge your core stability and build a strong midsection. Keep pushing yourself as we transition to leg raises, targeting your lower abs. Breathe through the intensity and feel the results as you continue with Russian twists. Now it's time for some bicycle crunches to engage your obliques and tighten your waistline. Finish strong with a set of mountain climbers, working your entire core and burning calories. Congratulations on completing the tummy trim workout. Keep up the great work and enjoy your toned abs. Remember to stay consistent and combine this workout with a healthy diet for best results.